Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're coming for the first time, you are highly welcome. Today I'm going to share with you this wonderful akara recipe. Please continue watching. To prepare akara, we need peeled beans. I have a detailed video on how to peel beans. So I have 3 cups of beans here. Over here I have 3 bulbs of onion, I have habanero pepper, and I have red bell pepper. Over here I have salt and I have seasoning cubes. Lastly, I have oil for frying. You can make use of any type of oil. To prepare akara, you will need a very strong blender to blend your beans. So go ahead and transfer your already peeled and washed beans into a blender. Add the pepper, the onions, the habanero pepper. Add water, just enough to move the blades of your blender. Do not add too much water because akara doesn't require a lot of water. If you add too much water, your akara won't form into a ball. It will be flat as pancake. So try as much as possible not to add too much water. If you are making use of seasoning cube, not the powder one, you may decide to add it while blending the beans so that everything can blend together and be a uniform mixture. Blend the beans to a smooth paste. Next, transfer to a jar and repeat the process for the remaining beans. Next, to a preheated pot, pour in the oil you want to use for frying. Just add enough oil because akara requires deep frying, not shallow frying. So you need enough oil in your pot or your pan. So while the oil is preheating, go ahead and mix your beans batter. You have to mix it very well in order for the akara to be fluffy and not dense. You can do this by using your spatula to stir for about 5 minutes, or you can use a hand mixer if you have one. Next, go ahead and add some chopped pepper and onion. This is optional. If you don't like raw onions, please do not add onion at this point. Just blend everything together. But if you don't mind raw onions, just go ahead and add some of them and then the pepper. This is not hot pepper, okay? I used bell pepper just to give it this very beautiful reddish pepper dem akara. But if you don't mind the akara being spicy, just go ahead and use hot pepper. Just slice it and just use it instead of the bell pepper that I used. After that, mix it again and get ready for frying. Now to fry the akara, I like adding a small bulb of onion inside my oil because it flavors the oil and gives the akara a very good aroma and taste. I hope you try that in your akara. Then I'm going to use my ice cream scoop to scoop the akara. You just need a small scoop to give you a very round akara. Then go ahead and start adding the butter gently into the oil. Also, do not fry on high heat or on low heat. If you fry on high heat, the akara is going to get burnt on the outside without cooking on the inside. On the other hand, if you fry on very low heat, the akara is going to absorb too much oil. So it's better to fry on medium heat. the akara until it turns golden brown. You can leave it in the oil for as long as you want, depending on the color you want to achieve. This was after about 5 minutes. You can see that the akara is looking so beautiful and done. Okay, so the next thing is just to bring it out from the oil. Use a perforated spoon and bring it out from the oil. Allow the oil to drain out, then transfer it into a sieve lined with a paper towel so that the paper towel can absorb any other oil that is left. So do that and go ahead and fry the remaining batch. A lot of people find it difficult to achieve a very perfect akara, just like this one. But if you follow the steps in this video, you should be able to achieve a very perfect akara, just like this one. So the points are, first of all, do not add too much water while blending your beans. Again, fry with a lot of oil. That is, it requires deep frying and not shallow frying. Lastly, you have to regulate your heat. Do not fry on high heat or on low heat. If you do that, you should be able to achieve a perfect akara. You can pair this akara with bread or with pap, or just enjoy it alone. Before we go, I'm going to open one of the akara just to show you guys how soft the inside looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next